Today we will talk about the famous mushroom recipe called mushroom pepper fry. Mushroom pepper fry is not a traditional dish with a long history like many classic Indian recipes. It's more of a contemporary and popular preparation that has emerged as a result of the growing popularity of mushrooms in Indian cuisine and the influence of global flavors. Mushrooms have been cultivated in India for decades, and they have gradually found their way into various regional Indian dishes. The idea of combining mushrooms with peppercorns and spices likely draws inspiration from the classic South Indian dish pepper mushroom or mushroom pepper masala, which features a peppery and spicy gravy-based preparation. The evolution of mushroom pepper fry can be attributed to creative home cooks and chefs who experiment with flavors and ingredients to create new and exciting dishes. This dish has gained popularity in both home kitchens and restaurants, particularly in regions where mushrooms are readily available and appreciated. While there isn't a specific historical account of when or where mushroom pepper fry was first created, its emergence is indicative of the dynamic nature of Indian cuisine, which continually evolves by incorporating new ingredients and flavors into traditional recipes. Today, mushroom pepper fry is enjoyed by mushroom enthusiasts and lovers of spicy, flavorful dishes across India and in various parts of the world. Its simple yet delicious preparation makes it a favorite among vegetarians and those looking for a meatless alternative with a bold, peppery kick. Certainly. Here's a detailed recipe for mushroom pepper fry, a delicious and aromatic Indian dish that combines mushrooms with a flavorful peppercorn-based spice mix. This dish is perfect as a side dish or even as a main course when served with rice or bread. Ingredients for the mushroom pepper fry: 16 ounces, for 50 g, fresh mushrooms, cleaned and sliced. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 to 3 green chilies, slit lengthwise, adjust to your spice preference. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, you can use fresh minced ginger and garlic. 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, coarsely crushed. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Fresh cilantro leaves, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prepare the mushroom. Clean the mushrooms by wiping them with a damp cloth or paper towel to remove any dirt. Slice them into quarters or halves, depending on their size. Set aside. 2. Heat oil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet or pan over medium-high heat. 3. Temper with cumin seeds. Add the cumin seeds to the hot oil and let them sizzle for a few seconds until they release their aroma. 4. Sauté onion. Add the finely chopped onion and green chilies to the pan. Sauté them until the onions turn translucent and start to brown, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. 5. Add ginger garlic paste. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and sauté for another 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. 6. Add spices. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add the turmeric powder, coriander powder, and crushed black peppercorns. Stir well to coat the onions with the spices. 7. Add tomatoes. Add the finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and the oil starts to separate from the mixture. This usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. 8. Add mushrooms. Now, add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and stir to combine them with the tomato-onion mixture. 9. Cook mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms on medium heat until they release their moisture and start to shrink, and the mixture thickens, about 10 to 12 minutes. Stir occasionally. 10. Season and garnish. Season the mushroom pepper fry with salt and garam masala powder. Taste and adjust the salt and spiciness according to your preference. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. 11. Garnish. Garnish the dish with fresh cilantro leaves. 12. Serve. Your mushroom pepper fry is ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, roti, Indian flatbread, or naan. Enjoy the spicy and aromatic flavors. This mushroom pepper fry is a delightful and spicy vegetarian dish that's easy to prepare and sure to satisfy your taste buds. Adjust the level of spiciness by controlling the amount of black pepper and green chilies you use. I hope that you would have enjoyed making the mushroom pepper fry. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you all.